Science in 60 seconds with me, Brittany, the Black food scientist. I had a lot of people bring up that California law in the video I posted on the Texas law that just passed. So let's talk about that law, aka Proposition 65. Also shortened to Prop 65, it's officially known as the Safe Drinking Water and Toxic Enforcement Act of 1986. It was originally passed to protect California's drinking water sources from being contaminated with chemicals that could cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. It requires businesses to put a warning label that looks like this to indicate that there are chemicals above the Prop 65 limits. Two chemicals I want to highlight that impact our food are heavy metals and acrylamide. Now, people think, and I've seen on the internet, that things are added to food to create this warning, and that is not the case. Heavy metals, more specifically lead, cadmium, arsenic, and mercury, are part of the earth and in our soil. Pollution can unfortunately increase the amount of heavy metals that are in our soil. So things that are grown out of the ground are more susceptible to having a higher amount of heavy metals. Some examples are leafy greens and cocoa. Acrylamide is actually formed when you expose starchy foods to high heat like grilling or frying. So what's a food scientist to do? There are many things that food scientists can do, but I want to make sure I get to the really important question that you're probably wondering. Do I need to worry about this? And the short answer is likely not. If you're in a healthy population, you likely don't need to worry because you usually need to consume a lot of the product to cause harm. And if you're in a vulnerable population, it's a good idea to understand from a healthcare expert what your risks are. And now you have another useful science fact in just 60 seconds.